How to make tick traps. Ticks are common pests that are attracted to pets and humans. They are commonly found in wooded areas or areas with large amounts of underbrush. Ticks are drawn to carbon dioxide, which mammals exhale when they breathe. Using dry ice, which is solid carbon dioxide, will draw the ticks to the homemade trap. Once you get the ticks on the tape of the trap, you can discard them easily. Things you'll need: serrated knife, styrofoam cooler with lid, 1 to 2 pounds block dry ice, dry ice tongs, heavy-duty gloves, cardboard, double-sided masking tape. Use a serrated knife to cut one hole in each side of the styrofoam cooler. Make the holes 3/4 inch circles, halfway between the bottom and the top of the cooler side. Place a 1 to 2 pounds block of dry ice inside the cooler. Use dry ice tongs or heavy-duty gloves to move the dry ice. Never touch it with your bare skin. Place the lid on the cooler. Place a piece of flattened cardboard in the yard or wherever you want to trap the ticks. Place the cooler with the dry ice in the middle of the piece of cardboard. Apply a strip of double-sided masking tape to each edge of the cardboard box, along the entire length of the side. Leave the trap for 2 hours, or however long the dry ice lasts. Pull up the double-sided tape with the trapped ticks and dispose of it in the garbage.